Hey Morgan, okay, I'm trying to help you solve that number 3.48. You can see on the screen here I've got the answer key for that. So what it told me is that the compound is XCl4, and it also told me that Cl was worth 75% of it. So I needed to figure out what that X part was. So this is kind of like the steps that I'm using here is something you could use similar for that hydrate lab. So the idea is that 75% is the part over the whole. So the chlorine part would be this top part. If I wanted to find the percent composition of this compound, even without knowing X, I would take the chlorine part, so 4 chlorines on the top here, and I would divide it by the total mass of that compound. Well, I know there's 4 chlorines plus the mass of this X, whatever the X is. Now, the X could be any element, so I don't know the mass of that, but I could call it X. Now, if I take that part, the chlorine part, divided by the whole compound's mass, molar mass, then that would equal a 75%, or in this case, I put in percentage form of 0.75. So after I set up this part right here, I just had to do some fancy math. So I just had to do some algebra to solve for X. There's my algebra that I solved for X for right here, and I finally came to X of 47.27. So once I know it was 47.27, I looked on the periodic table at titanium, or something with a mass of 47-ish. And titanium, if you look, he's number 22 on the periodic table. He does have a mass of about 47. So it had to be titanium. So that's how I solved it. I hope that helps.